Good morning, guys. This is Miss Hill, and this is just going to be a very quick video on how to log onto Schoology. Schoology is going to be the website that we are using for all student assignments, remote learners. They're all going to go to Schoology every day for all of their work and their assignments. And then also students who are learning in the classroom are going to be using Schoology daily as well. So it's very important that parents and students know how to log into Schoology to get access to that. So I would love for you to watch this video and then try to practice and see if you can get logged in. And if you can't, you can message me on school status to get in contact with me, or you can message me on Class Dojo. You're going to go on your device, you're going to open up your internet. Parents, if you would like to log in to see all of your students' information, you're going to go to www.schoology.com. Parents, you will hover over sign up over here, go down to parent, and then in your student's school binder that I've given them, there is a laminated login sheet, and it will have this access code for you under Schoology, parent access code, on that login sheet. Now, if you are a remote learner and you miss the orientation, that's okay. I can do one of two things. Either I can leave that binder up at the office for you and you can come by and get it. It's going to have some basic school supplies in it, some paper, pencils, an expo marker, a dry erase board, and then it's going to have a pair of headphones, and it's going to have their login sheet with all of their login information for the most used websites that we're going to be using this year. You can do that. Or if you are not comfortable coming up to the school to pick it up, I can just snap you a picture of it, but you're going to have to make sure that you message me to let me know if you need that login sheet or if you would like to leave that binder up there so that you can come by and get it. So you'll enter in that access code right here. You'll hit continue and it will let you into Schoology. I don't have an access code that I can log in with, so I won't be able to show you what it's going to look like. But now I'm going to go and show you what your child will do when they are logging into Schoology. So at the top, when I open up my internet browser, I'm a student. I'm going to go to LMS Morgan K12.schoology.com, and this is on that login sheet as well, so you don't have to memorize this. Hit enter. It's going to ask me to sign in. You can sign in with Google. I'm going to log in with a student account just to show you what your child should see when they log in, because my teacher page is a little bit different. There's no information on here, so I'm not going to share any of the student's personal information. I'm just going to show you what you will see when you log in. So my login is going to be my S number and my email for school. So S number at morgank12.org. Next. And my password is going to be MCS hashtag, and then my lunch number. Next. And it's going to open up my Schoology course page. This is what your child will see as soon as they log in. Here are all of their classes. Here's language, math, reading, science, and social studies. When they log in, they'll click on the class of their choice, whichever one they want to go to first. It's going to open up the materials page. This is the page over here on the left, materials, where all of their school assignments are going to be. This is where you will find all of their work. Okay, I'm going to have mine divided into folders. We're going to have ours divided into folders for each week. So this week, school days are going to be the 12th, 13th, and 14th. So August 12th or 14th for your assignments, you will click here. And then each day is going to have its own folder. So when you want your Wednesday assignments, you'll click on Wednesday assignments. Your assignments will show up here. You'll click on them, you'll complete them, and you'll submit them. I hope this video was very helpful. I know that it's quick. I will help the students practice. The students who are in school will practice this every day. And students who are remote learning, if you need to set up a call with me or you need to message me because you have more questions or if you have an issue, remember, you can message me on school status, or you can download Class Dojo, which will also be in your student's binder to show you how to do that, and you can message me on there. I hope this helps.